We're about to head out to Philadelphia Airport. Wanted to show you my Airbnb room here. It's incredible. This is the pillow I had to sleep on. Get out of the shadow, just so you can see how gross this is. That's what they gave me. Anyways, yeah, I had to take all the sheets off, so that's why they're off. I wish the air conditioner would come on so you could hear a lot. It's like a jet engine taking off. It's horrible. Yeah, let's go to Philly. Going back to Denver today. So I was staying up there. This is the main area, which actually is pretty nice. Little kitchen. Another bedroom. Another bathroom. You come down, more bedrooms there, garage. This is one of the highlights. Had a grill. This grill I used because we ran out of gas. Here's all my stuff. I was just out here. But it's like all these houses here look like this here around here. This thing is like that. Never did go over there. Should have. We're technically in Seattle, New Jersey. Sun's just starting to rise here. This is awesome. I gotta show the paper clip. It's got a paper clip right here. You can put paper clips in your sun visor. It's incredible. Like, it literally, it says paper clip right there. Isn't that funny?
Really?
Yeah. It's like, who's buying a car because it can hold paper clips in the sun visor? Hey, terminals. American Airlines here too. Let's go to United though. What's confusing is this is the beat gates and there's tons of more American here. Food's
That's it.
top of the three. There, you can see it there. It's B gates. C gates. I don't know. C, yeah, the C. And B. This is the D gates. United's down here, Spirit's here, Delta, a bunch of stuff. Getting off our place, yeah.
My apartment is here.
So we're still on time. Not much of a presence here for United, but this is it. And that's right there. It tells you 5 to 7 minutes for TSA pre, TSA general. 13 to 18, you just go up here, and I know it's going to be right at the top of the stairs. Super quick getting through security today. I'll go show you our flights on time. Don't know which way it is. Let's check. Departures. We'll go by. So right here, United 16:25, 10 a.m. D13. It's all right, yeah. It's this way. It's like a gloomy day here now all of a sudden. Before it was like partly cloudy when we were driving in. Made it to the gate. I'm just hanging out here. There's our plane. Got my feet kicked up. Just waiting to board. Small plane.
Rising food product.
This is a bigger plane. Whoa, bad job. Literally going on clouds.
160 miles an hour.
Alright, so this is the water thing. I mentioned it earlier. Just choose water. It has other things. You can say the money down there, but right here it says free. You can read that. The other ones are $2.50 it looks like. But you choose your temperature, say how many ounces, or you can just hit pour. But if you do these auto things, it would literally just fill that many ounces. Pretty cool. It's just right here by the bathroom. Alright, here we go. Got a delay of 55 minutes here. Hey Mason, hey Cam. I'm back home to Denver. First class, we should be right here. Lots of leg room. Ooh, we got the max. It started to rain a little. So we'll see what we get for takeoff. does look like we have these, man, everything's wet, like moist. I don't know if you can see that. It's just like humid, I guess, but I think you press this and it comes up and there's a screen, so that's cool. A lot of planes waiting. I don't think we're taking off for a while. Off the plane. It's supposed to be really nice here in Denver, like in the 60s. They let off people who had connecting flights earlier than the rest of us to give them a couple of minute head start, I guess. I am running late too, though, because I'm supposed to be somewhere at 2:20 and it's 1:15, so I have an hour and 5 minutes to get there. Sounds like a lot of time, but I have to get my luggage. This airport's like 45 minutes away from everything, so hopefully the luggage gets here quick and I can get to where I need to go. 1 minute out. Plenty of time.
All passengers leaving.
So I got my luggage, which took forever. Then I come out to Ubers and Lyfts. Lyft wanted $122 for a ride that's normally maybe 50 bucks. Sometimes it's as low as 42 bucks to my place. So it shouldn't even be less to where I'm trying to go. Probably whatever. So then I try Uber. It's a little less. It said 86 bucks. I said, okay. Took it. And then as soon as it said it was trying to find somebody, then it canceled out, said, that ride has been canceled, and I go back to book it. It's $98. Said it was going to get me there by 2:25. I accept the fare. Then it starts going. It says my driver is 20 minutes out, and I won't get there until 2:40 p.m. I'm not thrilled. That's horrible. And with Uber, you can't even cancel it. You're stuck unless you want to pay a cancellation fee. So I'm like, what? Why would they lie and tell you it's going to be quick? Lyfts are like 2 minutes away. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Not a good day. Not in a good mood, rather. Stupid flies. Take flight.